ya!
What's going on, Steve?
It's some kind of sadistic Vindicator fight club. I've heard of these, but I've never seen one.
They want me to fight the chicken?
It's a fight to the death, kid! Chicken Jockey! Watch out! Keep him away from your face!
I'm sorry, little buddy.
Don't fall for it, Gawker! That baby's got the heart of a demon!
No, you're not a demon, are you? You're a cute little booger face. I'm just gonna pet your little head.